Hello everyone, welcome to our session Empowering Retail in the Era of AI. My name is Martin Kostal, and I'm joining you from the Microsoft office in Prague. I'm the General Manager for Microsoft Cloud for Industries, focusing on retail. For today's session, I will also be joined by my team member, Anil Purushotham. We are extremely excited to speak with you about the AI-based innovations that we have brought to the retail industry over the last few months. First, we are going to do a quick overview of how the Microsoft Cloud is helping retailers seize the moment of AI opportunity. We will discuss the building blocks of the Microsoft Cloud for Retail. And finally, we will zoom in for a deeper look at the AI-infused solutions that are helping retailers. I will start with introduction of how we can help you power your AI transformation today with the Microsoft Cloud. Let's start with the word today. Things all around have changed rapidly, and I'm sure you noticed AI is just everywhere. And pretty much all organizations are already investing into ways to adapt. If you look back just a few years, we saw that organizations that had already invested in their own digital foundation were able to weather the disruption of the pandemic better than their peers, with many of them emerging even stronger than before. We believe we are at a similar inflection point today. The pressures today are different. After years of disruption driven by the pandemic, industries are continuing to transform quickly. Like no technology before, the advances in AI are augmenting humanity's ability to think, to reason, learn, and express ourselves. And we believe that AI provides a unique set of benefits that can be realized by any organization in any sector. The cultural frenzy surrounding AI is undeniable. The potential for AI to reinvent every industry, every job role, every business function is clear. But the business question you need to ask yourself is this: what can AI do for you? A recent study found that generative AI will have a significant impact across all industry sectors. In retail and consumer packaged goods, the potential impact is very significant, and 400 billion to 660 billion a year. The question every leader is asking themselves right now is this: how will your organization seize the full potential of AI, while safeguarding your business, your data, and your employees? AI is already present in many organizations across industries, including retail. Let us take a look at some retailers seeing the benefits of AI today. 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀 integrated AI-powered computer vision technology into their nano stores to collect and process data as customers shop. Built on Microsoft Azure, the deep learning solution tracks the entire customer shopping experience in real time. Smart Store Analytics helps aggregate and analyze the shopping data so it can be leveraged to elevate the experience of personalized outreach. French grocery giant Carrefour launched 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀, a chatbot based on ChatGPT which integrates into their website to help customers with their daily shopping. 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀 helps customers with product discovery based on budget, food constraints, recipe ideas, and time-based solutions, and more. With over 2,000 restaurants and 25 food production sites across 13 countries in the Middle East and North Africa, the Americanas Group leaders needed more insights into their operations to improve strategic business decision-making. The solution was implemented using a custom configuration of Microsoft Azure services, including Azure Databricks, Azure Knowledge Services, and Power BI. The data and AI services enabled Americanas finance, sales, revenue, HR, and operations teams to work with all crucial data at hand, spending 80% less time on tedious administrative work. Customers also benefit from the streamlined workflow with better services and short wait times. That's where Microsoft and the Microsoft Cloud can help. We are called upon to empower the world's organizations to lead the AI transformation for a new era, and we have the track record and the products and services across our solutions areas to help you do it. The Microsoft Cloud has been powering digital transformation for organizations across industry for years, as the industry's most trusted and comprehensive cloud. Now, we are ready to be your partner as we enter the next wave of AI transformation. AI innovation is poised to reinvent the retail industry across the shopping journey. It will enable retailers to organize and connect their transaction data to build more complete profiles of their customers. This enhanced capability will, in turn, create opportunities for more meaningful, personalized shopping experiences, whether online or in store. AI also promises innovation in operations, allowing retailers to reduce costs and maintain continuity in the face of disruption is dynamic, AI-powered supply chains. And frontline workers will be empowered to deliver enhanced customer experiences via AI tools that surface the right customer information at the right time, making store associates more productive and customers more loyal. With that, I want to introduce you to Anil Purushotham, who leads product management for our investments in Microsoft Cloud for Retail. Anil will provide you with an overview of the Retail Cloud and also deeper insights into some of its offerings.
Thank you, Martin. Microsoft Cloud for Retail is a collection of proven tools that help retailers to connect their customers, people, and most importantly, their data. The Microsoft Cloud for Retail is an industry-specific cloud that introduces 15 capabilities across 4 key customer scenarios for retail customers. The first is the maximize the value of your data scenario, which is about unifying the disparate data sources across the enterprise to realize greater value. Next is elevate the shopping experience, a scenario that provides retailers with the tools to provide hyper-personalized experiences to the consumers to help foster strong customer relationships, increase online and offline cart size, and drive loyalty. Supply chain stability and agility are the most pressing frontier for retail organizations around the world right now, which is why Microsoft Cloud for Retail provides solutions that includes artificial intelligence to provide visibility across the retailer's supply chain and predict and manage for changes in supply and demand at all points. Then there is the Empower the Store Associate scenario, which is about the retailer's most valuable asset, the retail store associate. Microsoft Cloud for Retail provides modern work solutions that equip the retail workforce with solutions to increase customer satisfaction while boosting employee productivity and morale. All these Microsoft Cloud for Retail capabilities are supported with retail industry-specific data models, APIs, and an ecosystem of partner solutions that are purpose-built for retail-specific scenarios. Let us do a deep dive on 2 of the application templates in Microsoft Cloud for Retail, Store Operations Assist and Smart Store Analytics, to understand how these AI-infused solutions are helping retailers drive efficiency in their business. Store Operations Assist is a Power Apps-based application in Teams for store associates and managers that helps them to perform their daily tasks better while also empowering them to serve customers better by making the required data available to them at their fingertips. It also provides rich insights and analytics around the different aspects of store operations and workforce management. And now, let us see how you can transform your store operations through AI-enabled analytics.
Store Operations Assist solution has been helping retailers to optimize their in-store operations. One of the key features on Store Operations Assist is AI-powered store performance analytics, built on Power BI, that provides multifaceted view into store operations and enables managers in making data-driven decisions to optimize actions within store. Let's have a look. The top part of dashboard provides actionable tiles that give us snapshots into the actions due for today, for example, tasks due today, how many are high priority, etc. Retail managers can click on each tile, that will take them to the filtered view of the tasks based on the tile specification. For example, if I click on the rightmost tile, it will take me to the tasks that are pending my review. Each of the reports on this page can be filtered by specific store or can be aggregated at different region or district level depending on user role access. Now, let's talk through the AI capabilities in this dashboard and let us see what they offer to our retail managers. Here is the Outlier Detection Report. This is a quick snapshot for the retail manager to see trends across count of tasks and identify unusual patterns. Organizations can set their own tolerance range across and report then highlights deviations from the expected range of count. Retail managers can see the trend across 2 separate data points, i.e. count of created and count of completed tasks in 2 separate tabs. Besides detecting outlier, this report also helps managers to automatically get an explanation of the reason. For example, as we can see, the count of created tasks went below average on September 27th. As a retail manager, I may be intrigued to know why this happened. In this report, I can click on the icon depicting outlier and it explains that count was unusually low for a specific type of tasks, or a specific user team created low tasks than usual. When we click the icon, report gives a natural language explanation of the outlier, and factors associated with that outlier, sorted by its explanatory strength. In short, it helps the retail managers to do a root cause analysis without slicing and dicing the data. Another AI-enabled report under Retail Insights is the Task Count Drill Down report. As the name suggests, it allows the retail manager to drill down on the task count data based on their preferences. Managers can break down the total count of tasks and analyze the data points across various variables. For example, as a district manager, I notice sudden increase in the number of tasks within my district in past 1 month. When I drill down, I identify that maintenance tasks have increased for store A. Now this is one area where I can check further for reason of increase and take corrective action where needed. Retail managers can also use AI-based visualizations in this report, where they can ask the system to drill based on the highest or lowest factors influencing the number of tasks. The key idea is that users can drill down on data based on their specific needs and evaluate actionable outcomes. Let's have a look at our Q&A report now. This is where we bring the natural interactions from store managers into a structured report format. We believe that retail managers should be empowered to query data based on their needs. And using Q&A report, they can ask a question using natural language and get a well-laid response. For example, as a district manager, I can ask a simple question like, "Show me task count by store name," which will show the task count across retail stores within my district data in a graphical format. The visual is picked based on the data type. As a retail manager, once I see this data, I can inquire further to see how many are completed. Also, if I want to see this as a pie chart, I can just add that to question to change the visual. In summary, each of these AI-enabled reports gives the retail managers the capability to do intelligent drill down around data points that can help in optimizing their store performance. This has been helping the retailers in their journey towards continuous operational excellence.
Smart Store Analytics is an analytic application template for the retail stores that has been built in close partnership with our frictionless checkout provider 𝗦𝗽𝗲𝗍𝗍𝗍. Smart Store Analytics helps retailers to enhance in-store experiences and gain operational efficiency through AI-powered analytics and insights around store layout, shelf placement, product catalogs, and inventory, which helps retailers to drive data-driven, impactful business decisions. Let us take a quick look at some of the AI-powered insights that are available in Smart Store Analytics.
Earlier this year, we announced Microsoft Smart Store Analytics, a cloud for retail offering designed to help store managers make sense of their in-store data. Since then, store managers at a number of retailers have started using the app's Smart Store KPI tracking, data visualizations, and data science insights to optimize various aspects of their store operations for business benefit. In this video, I will walk us through the Insights and Recommendations section of the app, which features 3 AI ML models, all designed to analyze in-store data and generate insights. Let's start with frequently bought together. This model helps the store or merchandising manager identify combinations of products that are likely to be bought together and/or are suboptimally placed, surfacing a number of revenue-generating opportunities. I start by selecting a store or the entire retailer chain. Now I see products ranked by strength of association, a statistical calculation that represents how likely customers are to buy these products together due to their relatedness and not random chance. I also see the time taken between picking up both products, which is a measure of how far apart from each other are the products likely placed. As a store manager, I can use this information in 2 ways. I can stand up a bundled offering of cottage cheese and smoked salmon and tap into subconscious customer demand that way. And/or B, I can move salmon closer to cottage cheese for easier discoverability. Both are legitimate ideas driving sales at retailers currently. Scrolling down, I can also use the product-specific drill-down view as one way to make my product clearance strategy more data-driven. So in this case, I might be looking to clear inventory of coffee pods, and seeing that I can bundle coffee pods and tea Earl Grey together, I potentially can mark down the bundle and clear shelf space faster. The second AI/ML model on offer is product substitutes, which identifies products that customers are likely seeing as simple alternatives to one another. Here, AI technology builds up a product context for each product, in this case almond milk, number 794, by analyzing what other products were put into the basket in the same session and the sequence in which all products were picked up. Products are then compared based on their context. The more similar the context, the higher the chance of two products being identified as substitutes. Here in the simulated example, after selecting the store or the retail chain and the product, in this case almond milk 794, I see up to 3 recommended substitutes for this product. Details on relative and absolute sales performance and placement relative to the selected product. Retailers are using these insights in 2 ways. A, rationalizing their inventory, weaning out products, like in this case organic milk, that may just be cannibalizing sales of another item. Or B, at times when inventory is running low for say almond milk, they will stock more of a substitute product, let's say organic milk, so as to not lose sales. The final AI/ML model to showcase today is foot traffic forecast. The model takes as inputs historical data on foot traffic and external data like local holidays and produces traffic predictions, enabling a retailer to anticipate customer footfall and adjust store activities accordingly. This dashboard has 4 key areas: top-level filters for store and the day for which you're interested in a prediction. KPIs that cover forecasts for the selected day as well as the week and comparisons against actual data from the previous week. Time series graphs that show predicted foot traffic by hour of day, by day over the next 7 days, and finally a consolidated view that lets you quickly identify spikes and slumps as a 2-dimensional grid of hour by day. Armed with this data, retailers can develop optimized staffing schedules that align with peak and trough periods, schedule tasks such as shelf replenishment and restocking before peak hours, optimize restocking schedules based on footfall patterns. To sum up, retailers are using all the models that we saw today, combined with smart store KPI tracking and immersive visualizations to take day-to-day decisions on store operations, store layout, product catalog, shelf placement, inventory, and more. In turn, these decisions are helping retailers continuously enhance the in-store shopping experience and realize needle-moving gains in business performance.
So with all of this AI innovation Microsoft Cloud for Retail is bringing to market, it's clear that the opportunity is yours to lead the AI transformation. And we are thrilled at the chance to partner with you on this journey. With the Microsoft Cloud, we can help you power your AI transformation in 3 ways. First, we have built AI capabilities into the Microsoft Cloud solutions customers are already using today, helping everyone be more productive, more creative, more efficient, and more innovative. That is what we mean when we talk about a co-pilot for every Microsoft Cloud experience. Second, we are making it easy for any organization to co-innovate with our partner ecosystem or build their own intelligent apps and co-pilot solutions using the same stack and AI services Microsoft used to build our own co-pilots. And we're doing all of this on a foundation of trust. Every organization needs to safeguard their business, their customers, and their data, particularly in this era of AI. The Microsoft Cloud runs on trust, and we are helping every organization build safety and responsibility into the AI journey from the very beginning. We hope you have enjoyed our session, and while our time together is at an end, your opportunity to enhance your skills and expand your knowledge of AI capabilities is just getting started. Check out these Ignite sessions on demand to learn how you can kickstart your AI transformation today. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.